Delivering his statement to State Commissioners of Health during the second Emergency National Council on Health meeting on Ebola virus disease, the Minister of Health, Professor Oyebuchi Chiku, said that the federal government has deployed resources to contain the EBD through procurement of 5 additional mobile laboratories and provision of 6 more centers for EBD diagnosis.
We must sustain our current momentum, ensure that the outbreak in Rivers State is resolutely contained, and strengthen systems across all the states to handle any eventuality now and in the future.
On the treatment research group inaugurated recently, the minister said they have come up with oral antiviral agent drugs, which has passed through the first and second phases of clinical trials and is considered safe for usage during emergency.
Our initial knowledge of the agent is that it has been shown to have strong antiviral activity against the influenza virus following phases 1 and 2 human trials. It is now going through phase 3 clinical trials. It is shown to have strong antiviral property against Ebola virus in animals and also in vitro. This and the fact that it is considered safe, having passed through phases 1 and 2 clinical trials though for influenza virus, makes it a good candidate drug for use in emergency situations such as the EBD.
Meanwhile, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health, Rivers State, Dr. Somiari Isaac, gave an update of the situation in Rivers State.
As I'm coming just from the airport, they told me that those on treatment, 3 of them, 2, the sample were sent for testing and they were negative. There are a lot of jingles, there are a lot of sensitization in the churches, mosques, in the marketplaces, as well as we cascade it down to the Rivers State Council of traditional rulers who will now interface with their respective chiefdoms, then inform them by using their local dialects, using the town criers.
The Minister of Health, however, called for a collaborative effort between government and stakeholders to tackle the disease. Joseph Kadri, ITV News, Abuja.